Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to this easy explanation of Tanween. What is Tanween? Tanween is whenever you see two fathat or two kasrat or two dammat. Fathatan, kasratan, dammatan. And you can call them also Tanween al-Fath, Tanween al-Kasr, Tanween al-Dam. How the Tanween works. Whenever you see two fathat, you keep the sound of fatha here with the letter ba, and you add an n sound to it. So the second fatha in your mind, it's an n. So beside the ba, I have to add an n sound. Ban. This is ba. N. Ban. Ban. For the kasra, you do the same thing. You keep the sound of the kasra for ba, which is b, plus an n. As I said before, the second one always in my mind is an n sound. So bin. Same thing for dhamma. The first one is gonna stay as is, the sound, and the second dhamma, it looks here like a semicircle, it's another dhamma actually. So the sound here gonna be bu, n, bun. What you have to keep in mind that the second fatha or second kasra or second dhamma is an n sound. Ban, bin, bun. Let's practice. Ban, bin, bun. You have just to be careful with the Tanween al-Fath. Always Tanween al-Fath has an alif who comes along with Tanween al-Fath. You cannot give Tanween al-Fath to a letter without this alif. Always you have to connect the alif to the a letter with Tanween al-Fath, except if the letter is a Nuri letter, of course, but the alif is there. So you see that we didn't add anything here. You see, we have only two kasras and two dhammas, but here we have two fathas with an alif here. Okay, so keep in mind that always Tanween al-Fath needs an alif with it, except ta marbuta or a hamza preceded by alif. You don't have to bother yourself with this, but keep in mind that the alif comes along with Tanween al-Fath. Go to lesson number 5 in the Nuraniya book and practice at Tanween.